What's going on YouTube? It's Savion, bro. Today I'm gonna be doing some bait fishing. Alright y'all, here's the setup for today. We're gonna use this spinning rod, 6'6" rod. All we need is this little bitty weighted bobber, this little bitty red hook, and 2 pieces of bread. Y'all wish me some luck. We're out at the spot, got the bread in the bucket. I got this bobber, maybe half a foot deep. It's about to be so easy, so easy. And if we can't catch them on the bread, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but there's a million crickets. I already see some action. Don't want to get too close. But this is about to be the most simple thing. I already see bluegills on top. Oh my God, big bluegills, okay. So all we do is take the bread, pinch it off, and just cover the hook. If I can get it covered good. Just cover the hook. Most simple thing ever. And if you got a ditch somewhere and it just rained, it's probably gonna fill up like this one has. Just take you a bobber and get you a little bitty little hook. Let's tilt the camera down just a little bit, okay? Like I said, you don't gotta fish deep, and just toss it in there. Then you just wait. I think I'm already getting one. Oh. Let's do it again. I think I may have one. Got him. Got him. Nice bullhead. Oh my God, he'll be good for freaking bait. Nice bullhead. Let's go. Let's fill the bucket up. Oh. Nice bullhead. I'm holding him like this because he keeps freaking biting me. All right, let's get him in the bucket. Let's get another piece of bread. And something I did learn about bread. If you'll take that bread and dip it in the water, kind of like dough bait when you trout fish, that stuff will stick on there a little bit better. So go ahead and get that on there. Mold it nice and tight. Take it, drop it. Don't let the minnows get it. I should be using that big boy for bait. He looking at me all crazy and stuff. Like I won't catch and cook him. He wildin'. Got him. Let's go. That right there is catfish candy. Let's get it, baby. Now we just gotta make sure this mug don't bite me. I think he might have just cleaned me off. Nope, nope, nope. I thought he did. Oh yeah. Nice bluegill. Looks like he might have choked the cricket though. Nice little piece of bait. Add him to the collection. Still got a little cricket on. Let's get it back out there. Not done. New location. I only need a few more. Oh. And a new hook. Got it dangling this time. We got a few in there. And the grasshopper. Let's get it. I'm gonna leave them in the shade. Let's walk down here. We're literally just right down the road. So if I don't get any here, I'm going back down there. There's plenty of grasshoppers though. And still. Already got one. We need the bucket. Oh. I learned my lesson from getting too close last time. You cast from far and you'll get them bad boys. All right, let's hurry to the bucket and bring the bucket closer. In the bucket. Cool. I'll get it. Man, I can see them. They're loaded. Got them. Oh, I don't want to get close. Come on, please. Another nice one. But now we need a cricket. Same spot. Nope, missed him. I think he might have cleaned it off though. Hey, did. Let's get a new grasshopper. Got a new cricket on. See how fast I can get one. I'll do this. This. It's that easy. It's that easy. It's literally that easy. There we go. This may still work. I think it will. It will. GoPro died, but we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fish in there. I'd say that's pretty good. My uncle's going out today to catch some bait. This should be enough, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Oh my